Hey LinkedIn, it's Jack over at Mixmax. Again, for y'all that haven't seen previous episodes, this is the good, the bad, the spammy. I'm Jack, I'm the SDR Manager at Mixmax, and I'll be taking you through another segment of really just how to build well-crafted emails. Obviously, no email is going to be perfect, but I think we can learn from each other and learn from what I think is a really good email, and then also get your comments on it. So feel free to share your thoughts. But anyway, getting right into the email. This is one of my favorite ones I've gotten in recent months for a variety of reasons, not just because it says Oregon Ducks in it, go Ducks, but because it's really well personalized and there's not a lot of heavy lift. I think a lot of times when people are or even reps, whether it's SDRs, even CEOs, like whoever it is that's building emails, it's kind of hard to think what kind of content am I sharing in this. And I think this is just the case of I'm going to take more personalized approach over the value. And I'll get into that. But in this regard, it worked for me. This was a SDR who was reaching out to me for quite some time, and she did a different approach. So it was a wager, says it right in the subject line, and also says Oregon Ducks, where if you do your research on your prospects, and if you this person did on me, she saw that I'm a huge Oregon Duck fan because I went there. Obviously, it's kind of stereotypical, but anytime you mention Oregon Ducks, I'm most likely going to respond. Just, cat's out of the bag there. So the subject line got my attention right off the bat. But I also liked how it was personal. She obviously made it towards me, but she routed it more to her and her family and things like that. So it was more person to person. It's not just like take a meeting with me. I have this cool product for you. So I really enjoyed that. Really made it more engaging for me. And then also too, I think what was really good about this is the timeliness of it. Obviously, she did her research to see that my team was playing in a weekend and one of her teams was playing. So why not have a friendly wager of it? Because I haven't responded to one of her emails yet. I'm down for it. So obviously, anytime you do a wager or any kind of gift offering or whatever, it's really, really good to make it incredibly clear what the guidelines of this wager is going to be. So it's really concise and clear to the prospect. Just little advice there. So just make sure it's very crystal clear exactly what they're getting themselves into, what the goal of it is, and so on. My one thing is here in the purple brackets is the personalization is amazing all throughout this email. I do think there's not enough value prop enough for me. Like I get it, generate pipeline by having more conversations with target accounts, but maybe more. I always think more value, the better. Obviously, she's trying to probably not just blow up so much information about what their company does. So I think it worked in this regard, but always more value props propositions could go a long way, especially with these types of emails. And then the CTA. This is a kind of bigger one if you've seen previous episodes of mine. Very short, very easy, and just really, really good overall CTA. Not a like a lot of pressure going into it. Just like a simple, should we do it? And I like that it's more of like a teamwork here. Like, should we go for it instead of are you interested? Are you open to learning more? I like that she did the we because it's more of like we're working together on this to kind of see if this is a good fit. So overall, really good. And then obviously the subtle calendar link at the bottom, huge fan. So overall, that's all I got. Hopefully, y'all got a lot out of that. Let us know in the comments what you think and if you agree on any of these or if you have other topics that we should cover in our next one. But overall, thanks for the time and see y'all next time.